Welcome to Easy English channel. In today's topic, I'm going to explain about present continuous tense. The definition, what is present continuous tense? The structure, the formation of the tense, some basic rules, how to make present continuous tense question, how to make present continuous tense negative. I'm going to explain in detail. But before that, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So follow me. The definition of present continuous tense. It shows an action that is happening right now. So we use present continuous tense for the action that is going on right now. Simply, when someone asks you, "What are you doing?" I am teaching you English. I am drinking water. The action that is going on right now at this moment. This is the definition of present continuous tense. So, structure or the formation of present continuous tense. The structure is he, subject, is helping verb, auxiliary verb, singing, first form of the verb plus ing, verb plus ing, sing, ing, singing, a song, object. He is singing a song. You can choose so many other sentences. She is playing tennis. I am drinking water. They are playing football. You are driving a car. There are many sentences. You can make them present continuous tense with the help of this structure. There are some rules to make present continuous tense. The first one, helping verb, is, are, am. We use is with singular, object, noun, pronoun. We use are with plural, objects, noun, or pronoun. And we use am with only one singular pronoun, that is I am. So, step 2, main verb, first form of the verb plus ing, go plus ing, going, play plus ing, playing, reading, writing, listening, dancing. They're all continuous form of verbs. Step 3, time expressions. In present continuous tense, you can find at the end of the sentence some time expressions like I am playing football right now. She is reading a story at the moment. They are preparing coffee at this time. They are playing football at this time. I am doing my homework at present. So these time expressions can be found at the end of the sentence. And I gave you some examples already. I will give you some examples. Here they are. She is listening to music. She, subject, is helping verb, listening, main verb plus ing, listen plus ing, listening to music, music is object. So the easiest and the simplest examples are here. They are going to the party. They are going to the party. They, subject, are helping verb, going, go plus ing, going to the party, party is object. So subject, helping verb, main verb plus ing, and party is object. The next one is interrogative. Interrogative form. Very simple and easy. Take the helping verb out of the sentence will be automatically interrogative. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. So, take is out of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. Is he reading a book? And keep the rest of the sentence as it is. The sentence will be automatically interrogative. Question. He is reading a book. Is out. Is he reading a book? Another example. You are listening to music. Take are out. Are you listening to music and question mark. Don't forget to put question mark grammatically, it is a mistake. You have to put question mark at the end of interrogative sentence. The next one is negative form. How to make present continuous tense negative. Just put not after helping verb. The sentence will be automatically negative. How? Let's see the example. She is driving a car. She is driving a car. So is helping verb, auxiliary verb? Yes. So put not here. She is not driving a car. The sentence will be automatically negative. They are playing football. They are not playing football. I am teaching you English language. I am not teaching you English language. Ahmed is cleaning his office. Ahmed is not cleaning his office. Present continuous tense, the formation, definition, how to make it question, how to make it negative, along with examples, I have explained in this video. I hope everything is clear. Before going to next step, in the next video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.